everyone, and welcome to my little corner. In this video we have more snacks. This time we're heading to Ukraine. Do you know anything about Ukraine?
No.
Zero. Nada. Okay, so let's just open this up and see what's inside. I feel like they kind of take off, you know how usually chips are very like puffy?
Yeah.
Like they're about to burst. I feel like they removed the air out of them. Like they're super flat. This one is bacon and mustard flavored corn sticks. And it actually kind of looks good. Well, so they're like little... Where have I seen this before?
Oh, I like it.
This is actually pretty good. What is it? Bacon and mustard? It has that like barbecue flavor. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Next up, I'm like the same potato chips. Wait, no, it's not.
Flavor's probably different.
There's different flavors. This is onion. This is potato, veal, and ajika flavor. Which one do you want to go first?
Onion.
So these are like little weird sticks. I'm not a big fan of onion. It's actually alright.
I like it.
It's not super powerful.
I like that. I think that's good, just like this. They're both good.
So the US has ketchup, Italy has pesto, Mexico has salsa, and Ukraine they have ajika. I might not even be saying, I'm probably not saying it right, but
yeah,
you know what I mean.
I don't know what that is. I've never tasted.
Interesting.
It's a unique taste.
Potato, veal, and then the sauce is like you're just eating a whole meal on a snack. I see some good stuff in here. Milk chocolate, and this is Roshan. And chocolate always sounds good.
Yeah. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with chocolate
Yeah.
most of the time. 99% of the times you can't go wrong with chocolate. If you go wrong with chocolate, there's definitely something wrong with you. Oh, there's something inside.
Caramel? Did you read it?
I didn't say.
Oh, it's breaking easily. Oh yeah.
Creme brulee chocolate. What? No way. I've never had creme brulee.
Good.
But I honestly really
Wow.
want to try it. I'm pretty sure it's good. But that is good.
That is really good. That's better than all three of these other ones.
Creme brulee chocolate. That sounds so fancy. And there is more chocolate.
Nice.
Dark chocolate. Caramel cinnamon. Yay for cinnamon. Nay for caramel. We'll see. We'll see. Thumbs up for packaging on this one.
Okay. There's caramel in it.
You can actually taste all three things.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow.
Okay, next up, we have wafers with cheese curd and chocolate flavored filling. Okay, this is the biggest wafer I've ever seen in my life. Not a big fan of the cheese here.
They put cheese in this thing?
There's cheese and chocolate. Okay, moving on. We have something that's okay. Caramelized peanuts with puffed rice bar. Actually, I got an email saying that this was accidentally extra, or it's not in the.
It's not in the.
It's not in the booklet or something.
And so there's peanuts, rice, and caramelized peanuts with
This is like a
Puffed rice.
tooth breaker. Oh. I'm gonna break my teeth.
How's that a snack if it's gonna break your teeth? Not good, but it's not bad.
Not great.
It's not great.
Oh, more caramel. Toffee. Creamy, soft toffee squares. Is that a weird, like, shortbread texture that just crumbles in your mouth? Hate that.
It's not bad.
It's almost like you're eating sand. Next up, we have something interesting. There's a friendly lion. Kind of looks like crackers. Meat jelly and horseradish flavored potato chips. Paper thin. This is paper thin.
Horseradish.
It smells pretty bad.
Whoa, mine.
Break it. That's a no. That's a pass. But there's another one of those. Another friendly lion. And this one is dill and sour cream. Ooh. There's actually a cute little... Okay, that was a fail.
What flavor again?
Is this grass? Am I eating grass?
It's alright. I like this more than this.
It shouldn't be edible. It's like the same size as a tube of toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Yeah, it reminds me of that.
This is dark chocolate with candied fruits. A big chocolate bar. Oh, it says dried oranges, lemons, and raspberries. Ooh.
What?
Ukraine, I gotta give it up to you for the packaging on this stuff. It's pretty interesting.
Dark chocolate with candied fruits. So there's fruit flavors in it?
Why do the fruits taste like flowers though?
How do you know what flowers taste like?
By the smell of them. Like the smell and the taste are pretty correlated. I mean, the chocolate on its own is alright.
I mean, dark chocolate.
Pretty dark though.
Dark chocolate is not as good as regular chocolate.
I like dark chocolate, but
Milk chocolate.
I think the one I usually get is like 60%. Okay, and now we are down to the little yum bag. It kind of became like a little fun party bag. So these things, they're assorted fruit caramels with fruit fillings. Caramel and fruit. Can I already say that I don't like it? Do I have to taste it? These are gummies with juice fillings. And then these are barberry. It's like berry. I wonder how long this actually takes to finish. These are
what are they
fruit
called?
gummies. Oh, they are ladybugs. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh
Can't
man.
even see it.
Squishy.
Oh, they're different. They're different flavors. This is like orange. That's lemon.
You want this one? I spit
It's
it
so
right now.
squishy. You might feel like you're actually eating the ladybug.
Ladybugs are not squishy.
How do you know?
And then fruit flavor in it.
Oh, it's a caramel piece. Oh. What's happening?
No.
No. I don't want that. And without any further ado, let's cast our votes. So we just cast our votes, and now it is time to review or choices. For me, the best one, I'm sure all of you already know my reactions. I kind of already ate it. There's a package. It's the milk chocolate with the creme brulee filling. So fancy. And then the second best is the first one we got, which is the... Oh! It is bacon and mustard in here, but then in here says ham and mustard. The worst... There were a lot of choices, but I just went with the toffee piece. And then finally the weirdest, I'm gonna say the veal and potato and ajika thing.
For me, I got the same weirdest. The weirdest one is this chips. That's unique. And then worst is the ladybug squishy. Second best, dark chocolate with caramel and cinnamon. And the best is the same one as hers, the chocolate, that one.
So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed us unboxing and tasting all of these snacks from Ukraine. And I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. I'm alone at this time because I just realized that I forgot to read next month's clue. So let's do this. It says, golden rocks, gorgeous gardens, a very holy wall. Rocky desert, salty seas, this country has it all. We didn't even mention all the yums that you can eat. Popping chocolate, pomegranate, and a special nutty sweet. When it talks, oh, holy wall, rocky deserts, salty seas, I'm thinking Israel? We will see.